Myra, she was a brave dog. They say most all dogs go to heaven, you know? All dogs go to heaven, but not all people go to heaven. Life in the Cape Flats, is like every day people are getting shot here. And I'm still trying to get over my parents' death.
I know they love me very much. I never got a chance to tell them the same.
When the guy came in with his gun, he waved it at the family. He shot my father, he shot my mother. 16 shots or something like that. He wanted to shoot a little kid. As he wanted to shoot, Myra jumped in front. While she was injured, she was sitting there by my father, you know. She told us, "I'm going to die." And we told her, "No, don't say so."
I saw Myra lying there. Arm was like paper that's been torn apart.
The bullet split her whole leg open. I just thought, a hero gone like that.
I believe that my mother left her here to look after us.
Every living thing on this earth is unique, man. You know, once it's gone, you're never gonna see anything like that again. When she came home, all the children from the neighborhood accepted her with open arms.
We're struggling to survive, but we're getting there, you see.
Myra is a full-on hero. And now it's our time to look after her and love her.